Professor Dave again. Let's discuss chi.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
We know about the relative pronouns che, cui, and il quale in all its forms. To this list, let's add just one more pronoun, chi. This can be confusing as it is close to the other relative pronoun che, and also looks identical to the interrogative pronoun chi, which means who. But the relative pronoun has a slightly different meaning that will make sense in context. First, to understand its meaning, let's realize that chi is technically an invariable double pronoun that combines colui, to use the most common form, and che, to get the one who. But we will also use this in place of a number of phrases, such as the following. As we said, colui or colei che, which means he who or she who, can be written as chi. The same goes for the plural, coloro che, which means those who. Then, qualsiasi persona che, or whoever, uno che, or the one who, and la persona che, or the person who. All of these can be shortened to simply chi. As we said, this pronoun is invariable, does not require an antecedent, and it can be accompanied by a preposition or not. Here are some examples using this pronoun. Non mi piace chi dice le bugie. Dà sempre cibo a chi ha fame. Questi antipasti sono per chi arriva presto. Let's note that chi is always followed by a verb in the singular, even if it is often translated into English with a plural, and is used only for people. Chi arriva tardi non potrà entrare a teatro. Those who arrive late will not be able to get into the theater. Like the other pronouns, it can be used as a subject or object. First, as a subject. Chi non fa I compiti non impara. Chi non pensa si trova nei guai. Now as an object. Invita chi vuoi. Io ammiro molto chi scala le montagne più alte. With all of these relative pronouns we have learned, some of which have identical meanings and are interchangeable, you may wonder why we need so many. The answer is simply that Italians like variety, and this particular pronoun, chi, is very convenient to use and is thus very common. Here are some more examples to drive things home. Chi arriva in ritardo deve fermarsi prima in segreteria. Chi ti porta fiori non sa che sei allergico. Non perdono chi arriva sempre in ritardo. C'è chi pensa che fumare non fa male. And to this list, we must now add some examples from proverbs and popular sayings. These don't always translate perfectly in a literal sense, but knowing them will help you learn the malleability of the language and give you some fun phrases to add to the list. Chi va piano va sano e va lontano. Chi dorme non piglia pesci. Ride ben chi ride ultimo. Chi vuole troppo nulla stringe. Chi è amico di tutti non è amico di nessuno. Chi non ha soldi non abbia voglie. Chi cerca trova. Chi fa da sé fa per tre. Chi rompe paga e I cocci sono suoi. And that wraps things up with relative pronouns, so let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.